Okay, so I've cleaned up all the oil on top of the pistons, but I think this compressor, I think the back piston is pumping oil. You know, we're gonna see it. I cleaned all the oil out, and now we'll get it pumping, and we'll see what happens. So if you look at the back piston, it's already got oil on top just from me doing that. Look at the other two pistons. Not very much oil. Not very much oil on top of those pistons at all. Look at this one. There's a little bit. But look at the back one. And that's just from me pumping it a little bit. So I'm gonna say, look at the back wall too. So I'm going to say this compressor's no good, it's pumping oil.